Hey there, and welcome to our Introduction to the General Ledger Account Card in Financials for Office 365 video. Today, we're going to give you an overview of the General Ledger Account Card. To view a General Ledger Account Card, simply use the universal search box, enter Chart of Accounts, and then choose the related link. Many of the fields on the General Ledger Account Card are also in the Chart of Accounts window. You can set up accounts in either window. The General Ledger account cards are better suited to changing or adding information on a single account as it contains more fields than the Chart of Accounts window. To view the details of a particular General Ledger account card, either click the account number or select View in the ribbon. For the purpose of this demonstration, filter for account number 6210, Sales of Raw Materials Domestically, and select OK to open this account card. This is the view of the account card, which, as we mentioned, specifies different types of information about each of the General Ledger accounts, such as the account number, account name, and whether the account is part of the income statement or balance sheet. There is one card for each General Ledger account. Each card contains several fast tabs with different types of information about the account. The General section contains fields which define what and how General Ledger entries are handled in the General Ledger account, the account number, name, and whether the account is related to the income statement or the balance sheet. The account type, indicating the purpose of the account in the different lists, journals, and reports. And direct posting, which indicates whether the posting can move directly into this account from a journal line. To review the transactions which make up the balance, click on the balance and the Ledger Entries page will display the transactional history of this account. You can now see the various transactions made for raw materials domestically. Click Close. The Posting section contains the fields that determine how the General Ledger and GST transactions are recorded. The General Posting type, which is whether the account is used for sales or purchase transactions. The General Business Posting Group, determining the default posting group for the account. The General Product Posting Group, which identifies the default General Product Posting Group for the selected account. And the GST Business and Product Posting Group, which defines whether the GST group is national or export, and how much GST is allocated for transactions with this account. If you're having difficulty with this concept, please refer to the About Posting Group section of the Help server. The Consolidation section is related to multi-company and specifies the account numbers in the consolidated company in which you will transfer debit or credit balances. When transferring such balances from subsidiaries to your parent company, accounts of your choice will be formed into the consolidated company according to the method that you define. Close this page and we will now practice creating a new account. To add a new account, in the Chart of Accounts window, choose New on the Home tab. For this example, we will create a new account for recycling. Let's fill in some of the relevant fields for the account to be created. For account number, enter 8140. Type Recycling for the name. Select Income Statement and categorize the GL account as Expense. And to identify the purpose of the account, choose the Account Type field to view the options. Only the first type, Posting, represents an account that you can post to. The others are used to create totals and headings in the Chart of Accounts. For accounts of the total account type, you must fill in the totaling field. For end total accounts, this field is filled in automatically by the indent function. Select Posting for this account. In addition to these fields, you must also fill in the General Posting Type, Purchase, General Business Posting Group, Domestic, General Product Posting Group, Miscellaneous, and you'll see the GST Business Posting Group and the GST Product Posting Group fields have automatically been filled to reflect our selections. For help about a specific field, choose the field hyperlink to take you to the field-specific help page. Click Close once your input of data is complete. If you scroll down the chart of accounts, you'll see that the recycling account has now been created. After you have set up the new account, on the Actions tab, in the Functions group, choose Indent Chart of Accounts. Click the Yes button. Close this page and you're done. If you have any questions while using Financials for Office 365, you can click on the question mark for a Windows-specific help page. If you want help with a field, click on the caption, or for a column, click on the heading and select Help like so. And that was how to set up General Ledger account cards within Financials for Office 365.